I want to try to push this thing.
Mama, don't you dare! Do you see it?
Well, bird got inside our house.
Yeah, a bird got inside your house.
Oh my god.
Mama, be careful, we might have rabies.
Oh my god. How am I supposed
Mama, be careful, we might have rabies.
So you just gonna stay there for the whole day?
Okay.
It's inside that window.
Record is full.
YouTube.
Yeah,
YouTube.
YouTube.
You can't put this on YouTube.
Why not?
Okay, you in there.
This goes on YouTube.
yeah, this is
I wanna
definitely
try to-
going on YouTube.
I want to try to grab him with the curtain and then transport him into the
Here, let's
blanket.
get closer.
This goes on
It's
YouTube.
either
Yeah,
that
this
or I
is
push
definitely
out the.
This is gonna be our live videos and stuff, I think.
Yep.
It's either that or I push out the freaking screen
Oh, don't you dare, Mama. I'm checking out for action.
and let him out that way, which seems like a very good freaking idea. I just don't want to break the screen.
This goes on YouTube.
No, it's
No,
not.
it doesn't.
Why not?
My face does not go on YouTube.
Yes, it does.
Yes. Yes, we're putting this on YouTube right now. After this video, we're putting this on
How do
YouTube.
you get in here?
I
Is
have
it through
no.
that stupid door
I
down?
don't know
Maybe
if
it
it's
was through that
one
little
or
window hole
that
right
hole
there.
right up there.
Because there's like a little hole at the bottom of the window.
I just see it,
No,
Mama,
it's too
be
small.
careful.
You don't know that.
Dude, it's small.
You don't know that. This is going on YouTube, though.
No, it's not, man.
Why not?
It's going on
Why not?
So what are you going to try to figure
Oh, there's a little hole.
Going on YouTube.
Oh, man. This is so stupid.
After this, we're putting this on YouTube.
No, you're not.
Yes, we are.
You guys are not doing that. If you guys are, then
We're putting this on
YouTube.
YouTube. We're definitely putting this on YouTube. Oh my god.
He's right there.
I know, but I don't.
He's
want,
looking out the window.
I don't want him to freaking bite me.
I see his yellow ash.
Wait,
Poor
wait.
thing.
Oh my god.
Where is he?
And next thing you know, another bird came in here.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
you.
But Mama,
Uh,
Mama, be careful. We might have rabies.
This is stupid.
We're definitely putting this on
If you
YouTube,
put the
yeah?
screen down,
I know,
After
but if
this, we're
I'm
putting this
trying
on
to
YouTube
push the screen
immediately.
out a little
definitely.
Yes, definitely.
Definitely
Shut
on YouTube. Definitely.
Yep.
Just because you don't want your face on YouTube doesn't mean I'm not going to put it on.
well, I mean, he can censor it.
You're definitely putting this on YouTube.
I
Or
could-
you're not.
I could,
Yes, we are.
I'll censor the faces, okay?
Whatever.
Yes.
Shut up, Brax. You make it harder, fool.
Where's the good time?
While he's trying to chase him. I just want to push this freaking goddamn screen open, man.
Nothing grab him.
Look at that.
And just let him out. Just freaking punch the screen open.
We got this wrap. But after this over, if this doesn't end after this video, we're definitely recording another one.
I don't even know what to do. I was drinking my coffee. All I wanted to do was drink my coffee. That's all I wanted to do.
Whoa, now you're going to be YouTube famous.
Yeah, YouTube famous.
No, I'm going to be a meme, fool.
You're gonna be YouTube famous. You're gonna be YouTube famous.
I'm going to be a meme. That's going to say.
Oh no, this is it. I gotta make another video.
Where'd it go?
So far, it's been 4 minutes
Oh, 4 minutes,
and
huh?
and 38 seconds.
Oh, well.
Oh my god.
Let's look a closer look through this hole.
What if he freaking was smart, just flew up at the top?
I don't know how to open that screen.
Let's take a closer look.
That you might have rabies.
I'm trying to get you out, buddy. I don't know how.
All right, I'm recording
Why would you
again.
want to come into this stupid house? Oh god. Oh god.
I'm taking a closer look through this hole.
Man. It's
I'm recording again.
YouTube famous.
This is so good.
And it's gonna be YouTube famous.
Oh
Yes,
my god.
YouTube favorite. What? Oh, he's making holes in there.
Huh?
What?
There's a hole.
What?
There's a hole.
No, it's just his clock.
Let's take another close look.
Okay, bro. I'm not gonna spend all day doing this bull crap.
Be careful, Brian. Don't let me drop this.
I
I want this to die. I want this to go on forever.
Yes.
Because I only have 18 minutes of recordage.
I'm recording again.
Mike!
Another. Oh, look at this big hole right there.
Hey, why don't you help, bro?
Hey, man.
Here, I'll try.
Enoch, how about you help and set
There.
up freaking record?
I can't.
I get rabies.
There you go. I'm holding this
Ryan,
part.
come over here and hold this side over here.
I know I get rabies.
Brian, hurry the heck up,
I
man.
know I get
Brian,
rabies.
this is not funny. Yeah, see, look at you. You can't even freaking place your fingers on there. This freaking thing gets
Look
down
at him
there
right
and
there.
run. Dude, no. Hold the
With,
freaking
that's
thing.
the
dude.
wink. He,
Hold the
quick,
thing.
quick.
You got me quick.
Bird is so quick.
You're gonna be YouTube famous.
Yeah, YouTube famous.
This is why freaking. I don't
You
like
hate us?
dinosaurs.
This is why you hate us. Another close look.
What kind of bird is this?
This sucks, man.
And this is gonna be on YouTube. YouTube
No, it's
famous.
not,
YouTube
man.
famous.
It's not being on
YouTube
YouTube.
famous. Look at that right there.
Yeah, see, Frank, shut your mouth.
Hey,
man.
he touched me.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, what are we gonna do?
The stay there forever.
Yeah, I have enough
Do
footage
you have
to.
a ladder?
A ladder? What's a ladder gonna do?
Well, I mean, we can freaking,
Well, we could get a ladder, and then I can record up here.
Oh shit, the cat.
We're gonna be YouTube famous.
Hey guys, I gotta record.
You get back here! Get back here!
Hey,
No, you better not let go, man.
alright.
You better not.
Alright, this is gonna be YouTube famous.
Right, you need to hold it
Big bitch.
and let go of it.
It's gonna be YouTube famous, guys. It's gonna be YouTube famous.
Brian, don't hold him either. You have to do it without holding any of it. If you want to record,
You
go on
know,
the
I
other
think
side.
I'm gonna have to get a knife and kind of cut a hole. I mean, there's other holes in these goddamn freaking screens.
Wait, Mitchell, go outside and go out there and then like...
This is all the way on the top floor. This tall. Hey, go get me a knife.
hold on here. I'll go get the
No,
knife.
you need to stay right here.
Here, I'll
This
go.
bird getting out from this spot. This is like a perfect spot.
Here, I'll go get a knife.
Yeah, Raina, go get a knife.
No.
Go get the
Or,
knife.
go get YouTube famous. Or get me scissors. Scissors will work fine too. I just need to
Okay.
kind of cut a little L-shaped house thing.
It's just in the darkness, but a bird had gone to a house. They don't want me to put this on YouTube, but I did. I'm going to. I'm going to put it on YouTube. It's going to be YouTube famous. Yeah.
I don't get this like once in a lifetime bullshit.
Once in a lifetime. Here's the scissors. Be careful. Now let's get back to my spot.
Yeah, let's get back to
Oh! Raina! It's not my fault that this opened.
Brian, I need you to come over here and hold this trap, man.
I
I need him to stay trapped. Hold down here too. There you go. I need this bird to stay freaking trapped so he doesn't get out.
So we're gonna go keep this for forever.
I'm gonna kind of put this here so he can't come down this way. So he's kind of trapped there. The only way he's gonna be able to is if he flies on top. Where's he at? Oh shit! Okay, Raina. Hey,
What?
hey,
What?
Raina. I
What?
need your hands, bro.
Okay,
I need-
fine.
hey.
This is the end. Bye. I'll record later.